right, here are the pricings of the botanical garden in Rayong. So here it's 20 baht per person if you come as a group, like an official group, in which case most tourists are not like that anyway. So then we have a boat with up to 6 people. It's a motorized boat, so that's 600 baht per hour. Next we have the kayak, which 2 people can sit. It's a tandem kayak, and that's 100 baht per hour. Then we have the bicycle, and that's 50 baht per round. So it's just a 3-kilometer round. Then that's it. We have the tent as well. If you want to camp here, you can set up your tent. It's 50 baht per person. Okay, it's like an entrance fee if you want to go and take wedding photos or some grand pictures, professional one. If you want to just walk inside as a tourist, as an individual, then it's free of charge. Yeah, that's it. These are the bicycles. As you can see, they have these off-road wheels, and there's nothing too much here, no baskets or anything, but these would be very convenient if you were to have a lot of things and you can just put the things on the bicycle and roll them. So you see that there are a lot of mud, dried mud here, because inside it gets very swampy, very muddy. So this can be helpful. I've seen 2 people literally cycle across that flooded area that we skipped because we wouldn't walk over it, but they came through it. I saw their wheels were wet, but yeah, that's what you get for having a bicycle. We are at the Rayong Botanical Garden. Behind me, we can see this beautiful lake with lily pads, some flowers, some lotus leaves. One round is 3 kilometers long, or you can also kayak, which also is there for rent. This is the view of the beautiful pond with lotus leaves and lily pads, and the entire 3-kilometer stretch is going to be beautiful like this. This is the bridge towards Mainam Island, which is right in front of me. And here you're not advised to cycle on top. So before we reach the bridge, they have a place for you to park your bicycle properly. Well, this was supposed to be a loop around just the island. But then we came across this very deep pit of water, and we're not going to cross this because it's pretty deep. As you can see, it goes down very steeply. We've walked about 80% of the loop already, but we'll have to walk all the way back. These signs can be rotated. They're all about Thai dishes and ingredients, how to make them. Unfortunately, all the signs are in Thai language, but you can kind of see what the food looks like. And yet again, we have come across a dead end with a lot of water right in front of us that covers the path. Actually, on the way here, we have been seeing how leveled the water is with the path. It's almost overly flooded towards the path at one point. And well, anyway, this is one of the other highlights here, which includes the old paperbark tree. So you can see behind me a lot of them. And well, we're supposed to be able to go straight to that other side, all the way there where the map is. But I'm afraid we'll have to walk back again.
let me take a moment to tell you, Alissa and I, we love to travel, and we bring the beauty around the world to you in the form of travel vlogs. If you're interested in traveling and would like to know more about travel gears and itineraries, you should check out our playlist of countries and reviews. It will help you to understand your destination and what to carry during those trips. This is all free, and you can show us your support by watching those videos.
If you enjoy our content, whether it's travel vlogs or gear reviews, and would like to have access to our exclusive content, please support us on Patreon using the link in the description below.